Yes, we are going to say about a Smart India Hackathon project of Raj Industries Limited. It is a material fabrication of a project. We have designed and 3 improvement for this project, which is going to seen about from RMK Engineering College. Now just I am going to explain about the prototype, how it is going to working in this reverse osmosis process, as well as in the layer of zinc sulfate prevent the formation of calcium and potassium magnesium salts. Let us see the process. We are going to see about the reverse osmosis as well as the filtration of zinc sulfate as present and how it works on the system. Now just we are going to switch on the motor. This is the process of reverse osmosis. You can hear the sound, which is the pass link from the heat exchanger, and the sediments is shown is there. As the sediment is there, the potassium salts and magnesium salts, and mainly potassium, calcium, magnesium salts. And we are showing that how the process is going to be work. The project we are introduced that the red color bottle indicates that it was an evaporator, and the white bottle shows that after the evaporator, which passed through the RO system, which is developed by motor of, or it may be called as a pump or turbine like that. Inlet and outlet is connected, which is connected by electrical motor with the battery system, and it is a heat exchanger. The white color indicates the heat exchangers, and which is fall from the heat exchangers and flow through the containers, which will have a process of filter. It is like a disc type. When the green color indicates the coating of a zinc sulfate. Just to see this is from the heat exchanger. The liquid is boiling as in form of bubbles. They extruded through the process of reverse osmosis. Here's some amount of potassium salts and magnesium salts, which are easily controlled after they pass through the container. For control the calcium salts, here the calcium salt filters and the presence of zinc sulfate and the clean brewage industry, as shown in as I told before, it is extracted. The main usage of a reverse osmosis is to extract the calcium salts and magnesium salts. Now I am going to take out the calcium carbonate, which is the presence on the zinc sulfate layer. Now I am going to see, which is used as a raw material for cement industries. The material of a liquid with a beer with the fermented yeast powder, and I'm going to dip the material. This is round material is called 310S, and the square material is called as 316SS. The 310SS and 316SS are dipped in the material. As further in this process, they pass through the liquid as what they affect. After the 23 days, it is shown the layer formed on the tubes, which is not the yeast and scale formation, which is the main reason for the scaling, and it is a precipitation of calcium, magnesium, and potassium magnesium salts. Now I am going to take out the material after the 21 days. After 23 days, this material shows the precipitations of layer of calcium and magnesium salts on the layer of 316SS and 310SS, as they compared in these figures, as in shown in video. The material 310SS, actually it is less scale formation. It is formed only on side of the metals. It is just not formed on the front face and rear face. As well as when we compare to this 316SS as form more precipitation on this material, this leads to overscale formation due to the calcium and magnesium. Thank you for this opportunity for Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition. We have good design for this. We have future plan to implement on this. Thank you for this.